Hello students, let's do counting 1 to 10. Listen carefully and repeat. Count and read 1 to 10. 1. 1 strawberry. 2. 1, 2, 2 cherries. 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 guavas. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mangoes. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 peaches. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 apples. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 oranges. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bananas. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bunches of grapes. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 slices of watermelon. Happy learning!